See, because when you record now, you have to actually put it off and put it on again. Yeah, and both sides should have the video, and you should have take permission from the other person also. It's got a system. Yes, so Miss Kocher, who's going to earn about 80,000 bucks a month with image consulting and coaching and so many things all over the
Right,
world.
right,
It's,
right,
it was
right.
in World Raju, now it is World Sindhu. World Sindhu.
Oh my gosh.
World Raju.
Yeah, that was
and
a
World
notorious
Sindhu.
World Raju, wasn't it?
Yeah, but
Anyway.
you're not notorious. You're just going to be famous probably.
Well. I'm not. My only focus is the kids. Actually, to be very honest. Anyway, so yeah, what I was saying is, like you take a dilemma or something, a challenge or something that you want to sort out or settle or something, right?
Yeah.
And so what you do is you talk about the current reality of what that person's going through. Hey, why are you smiling? Is there something
Am I
funny
smiling?
or?
No, yesterday Jolene could see only my teeth. So I'm smiling so that you can at least see my teeth. Because my camera, the cats peed on it.
It seems like a very naughty smile. Actually, I don't know why.
No,
It looks like a very naughty
because
smile,
yesterday
like
Jolene was
up
also
to
very
something.
professional. Jolene was wearing this proper jacket outside, jacket inside, white shirt, short skirt, and short skirt, and she was very professional. So you're also doing that thing, So I'm just linking the two.
Yeah, but you didn't record her. Why are you recording me?
No, I recorded the first one. It's on YouTube. Anybody can see it. I'll send you the link.
Oh God, I don't want mine on YouTube. No, no, no.
Okay. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking Jolene's. You asked me, na?
Ha,
Now I
ha,
can't
ha.
see you.
Okay, never mind. We'll keep it like that.
No, you have to put it on.
Okay. No, that's okay, Venus. You know what? You just hear me out, and that's good enough because you know what? You have a very photographic memory, so
Yeah,
you
of
will
course.
remember
No, but
everything.
it's different. When you see, I told her at the end of it. I told Jolene at the end of it. I wish I had recorded. So she said, "Okay, let's go through the whole thing again," because she wanted it to be recorded.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But
you
yeah,
don't
no, I
understand.
don't want it to be recorded. I mean, this is a very, what happens is, when I know that it's been recorded, I get very self-conscious
Yeah, that is there.
and I can't be myself. So
I
now
understand.
when you're not recording, I can actually say what actually, because I was a bit self-conscious. I was like, my mind was getting diverted.
Okay, fine.
Mm.
Go ahead.
So we talk about this dilemma and then we, what it is and what that person wants to achieve, right?
Right.
So we talk we find out that we label that and we label the emotion that person's going through. And what happens when you label the emotion, like for instance, like when they're going through the current reality, right, which is
Yes.
about, okay, now this is what it's going on and everything, then you actually ask the person how you feel, right? Because
Right.
that person is going into the emotion, experiencing the emotion. And it's, what is happening is that the amygdala of that person, right,
Yeah.
is actually so active that the PFC is shutting down the
What is
thinking part of the brain, right? So we want to
No,
get
no, one second. I didn't get that. Yeah, when the amygdala is active, the front part of the brain is shutting down.
that is no, it shuts down the emotion, no, because of all this overwhelming emotion. It
Yeah.
shuts down the thinking part of the brain, which is the PFC, prefrontal cortex.
The front part. Yeah.
Yeah, prefrontal cortex is
Yeah.
being,
That is here. Prefrontal is here. Amygdala is somewhere
yeah.
inside. Yeah.
Yeah. So prefrontal cortex is actually in charge or responsible for the thinking part of the,
But I'll
for
tell
the.
you something, Sindhu. To
Hmm.
be really creative, we have to shut off the prefrontal cortex and we have to go into the deeper parts of the brain, for being creative. So when you are with the
Yeah. So
prefrontal
you're
cortex,
talking about. Yeah. See, the
yeah,
thinking part has to come out. In this case, when you're actually trying to explore solutions, then you need your thinking part of the brain.
but
See, for
sometimes
creativity and all those
one minute,
things, your
Sindhu,
feelings
I know
can.
what you're saying. Sometimes you need that thinking part also. But as
Ah,
you see,
yeah.
but no, but
See,
one thing, I just want to tell you. See, these bad emotions when they shut out the prefrontal cortex, that's not a good thing. Okay, but
yeah.
sometimes good emotions also take you away from the prefrontal cortex into the creative part of the brain, which is very good to find out solutions. You see?
Yeah, see, you know
Yeah. So
what?
there are
See,
two types of things. One is blocking out. What you're saying is right. When it
hmm.
is being blocked out by bad emotions, no, then okay, then you have to
Yeah,
take the patient out of it and you have to get him into the prefrontal cortex. I got that. But
yeah,
but but sometimes it's good when you have very good emotions and you're getting spaced out into the creative zone. In fact, meditation takes you there. It blocks
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
See,
understood. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. But normally, when you're talking about a dilemma, they're going through the bad emotions. So that's why we want to shut out the bad emotions,
Okay.
and we do that partly by actually getting them to label the emotion by asking, okay, now like they're really getting frantic and whatever, right? I mean, we don't want to get into problem and detail. We want to get into solution and planning, right?
Right.
So what we do is, okay, so tell me, what are your thoughts, what are you feeling right now? So when you actually ask them that question, what happens is that they start thinking about the feeling, and thinking about the feeling starts to get the activate the PFC once again. So whereby the thinking part of the brain is all again getting activated. So now what happens is they label the emotion, they know what it is, and then we go into vision. Okay, what is a
What you're
vision?
doing now, Sindhu, it's good for
Huh.
a yang person, but for a yin person, that prefrontal cortex is what limits you. For us, no, for me, that prefrontal cortex is very good when I'm doing maths or that IIT stuff or
Yeah, yeah,
something.
yeah. We are trying to get them to think, so
Yes,
we are
yes,
getting
but
them to.
for a yang
Huh.
for a yin person, that prefrontal cortex is actually limiting you. That other mind, the other creative mind is what is more important for a yang person, but
See,
with
it
good
is
emotions.
very good to go into the.
But
Huh.
but for a yang person
See,
like
it is
you, no,
very good to go
for
into
a
the.
yang person like you, na, this what you're saying is very good. You understand? What you're saying is very good, like for Jolene, for you and all.
Yeah, for young people also, they need to use their brain to think, no, for the solutions, isn't
No, for
it?
yin
I
people, we are
mean,
using
okay,
we are not using the
okay,
prefrontal cortex. We are using the deeper, the creative brain.
okay. If they have to use the creative brain also,
Yeah.
their bad emotion has to shut down. If
Yes,
you
yes,
cannot
but the
switch.
bad, yes, you're right. But the bad emotion doesn't shut down
See,
by its.
wait, listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me, listen to me.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Now, we are talking about the bad emotion, labeling the bad emotion.
Correct.
Now, we
Yeah.
are asking them, what is the vision? What is the right thing? So then the happy emotion takes over. You get it?
No. Okay, but I understand what you're trying to say.
Huh.
You can go
So
ahead.
then
Yeah.
they're
Yeah.
talking about the ideal emotion, the ideal situation, the ideal thing. They're talking about how it would be, and explaining, what it is. And then, okay, now then you're actually exploring how to get there. So
Yeah.
for which you're asking them, okay, what are the options and what are the ways and blah blah. And then you're listing out strategies and actions on those strategies and stuff. So that's how it works. And at the end of it, you have a way where you ask them, okay, how are you going to monitor these strategies? By when are you going to achieve them? So it's like a weekly session, right?
Yeah.
So by when are you going to achieve them? And once you've achieved, how would you celebrate? So
Yeah.
so that is just a very very bit of a gist of how it works. But yes, I mean, happy emotion is definitely necessary,
Yeah,
in
but
order to.
for a yin person, the happy emotion doesn't come
Yeah,
with this
yin or
discussion.
yang or whatever,
No,
I
no,
mean.
no, no. It's not yin or yang or whatever. I'll tell you the difference. Whenever you go into this kind of a questioning, now, for example, Stefan, he never gets into the good emotion. For example, me, I never get into the good emotion. What we need now, what the yin person needs is what Martina was doing. She gets into the arts. And into the arts, no, we don't have a prefrontal cortex at all there. We have the creative side, and that creative side brings out the happy emotions. You see, there's a
Okay, see, that
huge
is
big
okay. That
difference.
is when you're not going through coaching or whatever. Now we are talking about coaching where we're using a certain structure to get, an end result.
Yeah.
So this is not a part of coaching. That is, whatever approach that you would take when you
No,
are by
but that
yourself.
is the approach that works on yin people.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
this
Maybe, but
yeah this
huh,
approach of yours is
what?
very good. Is
Okay. What?
very good. Your approach is very good, and it works on young people. That's a difference. And it may work on some yin people also. I'm
So
not.
we don't make any distinction between. We don't make any distinction between yin and
Oh, but you
yang. We
have to
just
make a
kind of do this,
distinction.
and
That is the whole
like
thing. When
with
you
the
don't
thing.
make a distinction, it doesn't work on that way. And
So
it
you
may
know
not
what?
work.
This is how it is. I mean,
No,
we
this
go
is
as
how.
per the
No, this is
neuroscience.
not how it is. This is how you think it is.
We go as per the neuroscience thing.
Even with neuroscience and whatever science you
We
have,
go as
this I've experienced this.
okay,
That's
okay,
why I'm
fine.
telling you.
Okay. So if you have other ways of doing it, yes, there are different ways of doing things, but this is how we do it in coaching.
Yeah,
That's all.
that I can understand. This is how
Yeah,
you do
that's
it in
fun. No, I
coaching.
am only talking about coaching. I'm not talking about the
Yeah.
various other ways of getting things done. You can even get into nirvana, and you can get into alpha, and you can get into,
Because this
theta.
way doesn't work for me. That is one of the reasons that I would never do coaching.
Okay, fine, all right, fine. So then you can develop something, your
No, it's
own,
already
like,
developed.
yeah,
That
as you
art
say,
therapy,
creative.
no, that art therapy is already developed. I don't
Yeah,
have to
the
do it.
creative.
I don't have to develop it.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
already developed.
Yeah. Okay. So you got your thing and that's it. No, I was only explaining about coaching. I'm not debating
I
anything.
know
I'm
you've
not.
already explained this also to me earlier.
So that's it. That's the end of it. So, oh,
So what time you have to leave?
yeah, by 8:45 I have to leave.
Okay, and what time is the flight?
The flight is at 1:30 actually.
Wow, and you're leaving so early. That's great.
It takes about more than an hour to reach the airport.
Okay, okay.
And in case the taxi doesn't come on time,
No,
or
no, it's
whatever.
very good that you're leaving early. That's very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So I factor in all those things.
Yeah.
And also the fact that in case I have excess baggage,
Hmm.
then I may have to remove a few things and probably give it to some,
Hmm.
go outside the airport and give it to somebody there,
I
like.
know. I know what you're saying. I wish
Yeah.
there was some way of weighing the luggage, no, before you reach there.
No, I weighed it. Yeah, it's already like 3 kilos or something overweight.
Only for 3 kilos you can pay for it, no?
3 kilos. But now the thing is, they may, in that case, weigh my hand baggage as well.
Yeah.
So if they do that, so that's why I'm wondering, should I change all this into something else? Is what I'm wondering.
Yeah, do that. You focus on your weight thing, because how much of free hand baggage is allowed for you?
See, I can either take a backpack
Okay,
and a trolley bag.
okay. It has size
But
specifications, no? Size specifications?
they won't let me take a backpack as well because I'm anyway already carrying a laptop with me.
Okay.
So they won't allow. Anyway, never mind. Let's see.
Is it
See what
is it Cathay? Is it Cathay?
I'm going on Dragonair
Okay,
and
Dragonair.
then going Cathay after. See, they already have 30 kilos, but I'm exceeding 30 kilos now, it seems like.
I just want to ask you,
So,
Sindhu, this Dragonair is up to where? Bangalore to?
Bangalore to Manila. No, sorry, Bangalore to Hong Kong to Manila.
Hong Kong, how long are you going to be there?
Like a 2 or 3 hour transit, I think.
Okay, great.
I don't know.
Now 30 kilos are allowed for you? 30 kilos?
Yeah.
Including hand baggage?
No, excluding hand baggage.
So
Hand
great.
baggage is another 7 kilos.
So
So I'm
great.
exceeding. I'm exceeding.
Okay, you have 30 kilos of this thing? 30 kilos in your this thing? 30 kilos of check-in baggage you have? 30 kilos?
Yeah.
30 kilos or more or less?
I have 33, I think.
Okay, so 3 kilos you can pay for, no?
Yeah, now the question is how much is that, because it might be quite a bit.
It's quite a bit. It's quite a bit. Now what I'm asking is how much hand baggage do you have? How many kilos?
Hand baggage I have, well, maybe 10 or something, or even more than that. 10, I think.
That they will have little bit of flexibility, like 7 to 10 types.
See, normally it is 7 kilos that they
Yeah.
allow.
But they
So,
need
but if you are exceeding on the baggage,
yeah,
then might actually make you. They will weigh the hand baggage,
right.
and if hand baggage and this one is more,
Yeah.
they will say, okay, this is the cumulative.
Oh,
So
I
you
understand.
have to,
So
yeah.
how much your hand baggage is exceeding 10 kilos, right?
See, you know what? I've taken a couple of books and all, yeah, for them.
Yeah.
So that is what is making it a bit heavier as well, actually.
Yeah,
Maybe.
books are very heavy. I have paid a lot of excess baggage while taking books to UAE, initially to answer the exams and all. But what I'm saying, na, if you transfer this 3 kilos to that hand baggage, will that help?
No, because they're going to weigh the hand baggage also. No,
Correct,
that's it.
correct. So then now only you do something, na?
Yeah. Now what I can do is I can take out some of the books actually, but then if I do that, oh God. Hmm. I don't know. Maybe I should take that out and.
Yeah, do something now only. And it's good that you weighed it. How did you weigh that 30 kilos and all? How did you manage to weigh it?
I picked up the stuff and then I weighed it.
You picked it up and put it on what? You got a weighing machine?
Yeah.
For like 30-50 kilos, you got a weighing machine? Yeah, your weighing machine which you use for the normal bathroom scales, na?
Yeah, that one. Yes, I stand on it with the bags.
But why you standing on it? You should put the bag on it because then your
Yeah,
and then you deduct your weight.
yeah, I put my weight here because I can't see otherwise.
Right. 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 So it's approximate, but it's okay. How
Yeah.
much do you deduct? Like 50 kilos?
No. How much did I deduct? No, 52 actually.
Oh, you're only 52?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm about 53. Acha, why are you busy clicking?
No, actually, you know what? I got this book called Super Brain Yoga. Okay.
Huh.
Mm. This is what it is. I was taking it for the kids.
Aha.
Okay. So
Huh.
what happened is instead of doing that, I decided that I will just instead of only the technique I will click and I leave the book behind.
Ah, that's a
I
good idea. That's a good idea.
Yeah, but you know what? See, I wanted to actually read the whole thing to them,
Right.
But never mind. It is Master Cherkovsky, who is a founder of Pranic Healing. He's written this book.
Yeah.
He's no more. I'm going to be meeting his daughter in the Philippines.
Oh, I wish you
Yeah.
could take the book.
Huh?
I wish you could take the book.
Yeah, but you know what? The thing is, I don't think the kids are going to be so.
Excited about the book.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. I get it.
So what I'll do is I'll just keep it here and go.
Yeah.
And besides, this was also a technique of getting a bit of
Yeah.
weight off the thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, never mind. I think
So
I
this
don't.
book is half kilo, no?
Mm.
Okay. So you got to take off a few more kilos.
Oh yeah, maybe half kilo. Yeah, it's a little thing. Yeah, so that's the thing. I've taken out one book. Whoa!
What happened now?
Something just fell, but it didn't break, thankfully.
Yeah, and it didn't hit your leg, hit your foot.
No, it fell on the table, but it could have rolled up. So it didn't happen. So like that. Oh my God, I don't even know. Have I taken everything? Is everything there with me?
What?
I'm just asking myself, have I taken everything?
You've taken your keys?
Hey, just hang on a sec.
Yeah.
Hello? Yes? Huh. Pick up time 9 o'clock. Opposite to ITC. Nimma ಹೆಸರೇನು? Okay, opposite to ITC, High Street ಅಂತ ಹೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕುಕ್ ಟೌನ್. ಓ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುದು. ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ. Hey, Venus.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy had called me to ask me where I am staying and stuff.
Okay.
And he's in the other end of Bangalore.
Oh.
So
Very efficient.
no, he says he's going to actually call the company.
Yeah.
Tell them to release somebody else for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the thing.
Good.
So if they don't come, then I may have to go with Uber cabs.
What cabs?
Uber.
What is Uber?
Oh, Uber cabs are actually they are a brand, or they are a company. Whereby they have an app actually, an application on thing, and it senses like where you press that app and then actually it tells you where are the cabs.
Okay.
And it tells you how long it would take for a cab to come. So, and that is like instant, in 10 minutes or something it comes.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, the only thing is they don't wait. Yeah, you have to be outside on the street.
Okay.
Call them and all that,
Right.
So I have bags and everything, no? So after the cab comes is what I would like them to
Yeah.
come and pick me up. That's how I prefer it.
Right.
You know,
So you're
so
not going by Uber
after the
cab.
cab,
You prefer not to go by Uber.
yeah, I had actually got a Rex cab because what they do is
Yeah.
they come here and then they are okay with waiting, you know, so I can
Yeah.
slowly take my things down and all that kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it's Uber cab, no, they start, they don't wait, you know,
Oh, but that's
because what
good.
happens is
Yeah.
they see you for the radius, you know, you actually have a call for them
Yeah.
from the app, and it tells you, you know, it's going to be here in 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes or whatever.
Oh, that
So
stresses you out.
yes, and so I cannot take all my stuff down in 2, 3, 4, 5, or sometimes it could be 10 minutes, sometimes it could be 15 minutes, sometimes it could be more than that, right?
Yeah.
So I want that predictability of knowing how much time, you know,
Right.
so that I will be able to, because see, I'm on the second floor and it doesn't have a lift.
Oh my God. Then how are you going to take all this?
Yeah, so I have to, you know, slowly one by one, I have to put everything down and all that.
But that's very difficult. No, you don't have a watchman or somebody there.
I no, yeah. I mean, no, I don't have a watchman here because now you're looking out for a night watchman or something. The maintenance here is pretty bad actually in this building, and that's also why I need to go elsewhere. You know,
Yeah.
to a proper apartment where they have maintenance and all that.
Right.
Yeah, anybody just walks in and all. I mean, day watchman there is somebody,
Hmm.
but night watchman it's been a long time actually. There isn't anybody.
Oh, that's not safe, na?
It's not safe actually, and the person who is taking care of maintenance is on the ground floor, and even the cleaning and all that is really not done at all.
Okay.
So I'm just looking to find. I mean, I even found somebody to come and do the cleaning when she has not bothered to, you know,
Yeah.
contact her or tell her yes or no or whatever, you know. So it's
Right.
like she couldn't care less kind of a thing. So nobody is taking anything. So then I'm getting this building cleaned and all that because I want to sell it.
Yeah.
Anyway, so like that. So anything? So you got your bra thing? Is she
No, no, she
buying
has
you?
to still see. I bought another bra from. I'll show you the picture. I brought
Mm.
another bra from another shop here. It's Enamor, you know the company ENAMOR, and it is some new Chinese collection which is not
Yeah,
really
yeah.
great, but it costs $1,000. And I've paid like 700 or 600. I've paid now. I'll be going tomorrow and collecting it, paying the remaining. Okay. So but
Mm.
it's not, see, I brought 36B, okay, because I brought a smaller size so that it's more compact. I don't want 38, yeah. And and I've got the picture of that. If you go to Enamor, no, ENAMOR, and you just
Mm.
go to Chinese collection, the latest, yeah,
Mm.
then you will find it. It's like, it looks like a Carberry bra, you know, like red and something, you know.
Mm.
Yeah, but it has got a you know, slightly stronger and firmer support and a little bit of lift and all, but not like what I bought in the UAE. And what the one in the UAE is much cheaper actually.
Okay.
Yeah, but only thing, when she sends it here by registered post and all, you know, it'll become more expensive because you have to pay the registered post charges and all that, you know.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah, and registered post, and I hope I get it. Okay, it is insured, but still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, all that. But what to do? You know, the best thing is to go to the UAE and get it, but I can't do that right now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I go to Hong Kong, I'll
But
look
you know
out
what?
maybe.
I repaired the bra which I have now. I repaired it. Like, you know, the problem, reason I got the skin lesions was because some of the metal was exposed. You know,
Yeah.
so I covered the metal. You know, stitched it again, and because it's got a wire, no, it's called an
Mm.
underwired bra. You know,
Yeah.
and also at the back, the strap had got a pokey part on it. You know, so I changed that pokey part, and you know,
Okay. So
yeah,
anyway, I will start to get my stuff
yeah,
out.
yeah.
And I might probably even get a Uber cab, you know, if these people don't call me. I
Yeah,
may need
because
to call them.
once you're down, then you can go for a Uber cab. See, now it's 8:30. In 15 minutes, you'll be down.
So I will first of all go and, you know, we freshen up and, I mean, you know, just do my toilet call and all that before I leave.
Yeah. You know, in
And
French, when they say dressing up, they say faire ma toilette. They say Toilette. So I was just wondering, what are you saying toilet? Then I realized you're saying toilet call, which is different from toilet.
Yeah.
I was wondering,
Okay.
why you're using the French word for dressing up and getting ready.
No toilet call.
Yeah, but it was like similar.
Toilet.
At least it started similarly. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. All right.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Bye.
anything from the Philippines? Or well,
No,
like,
no, nothing,
the
nothing,
thing
nothing.
is that
No,
I
nothing.
do.
Yeah.
Okay, Bombay is. They're good for their whitening products. The Philippines.
What is it's good for what?
Whitening products, yeah. Like whitening soap, whitening lotion, and all that.
Oh, that's not what I'm going to use. Definitely not, because not good for the skin. It's not good for the skin. It can cause cancer.
Oh, really?
Yes, because this melanin which dark people have, it's actually very protective. It protects you from the sun and all that. And they're using chemicals to decrease the production of melanin. I mean, they're playing with the chemicals in our body. I would never ever go for it. And you know
Oh,
what? See, and also the thing is that I'm not a teenager anymore. I have absolutely no problem with my looks. I'm very happy with my looks.
no, no, I've been using this whitening soap. Yeah, see, it says papaya
Are you
soap.
crack? Why are you using a whitening soap? You're mad or what?
No, because it says it's a papaya whitening soap and stuff like that.
I don't know,
Papaya.
yeah, Sindhu. You do. I mean, maybe it's
Oh
okay
no.
also. Maybe it's okay also. Maybe it's just like light touch or something. But I never bleach my face. I never do this because I'm extremely scared, of these things. But maybe it's okay. Maybe I'm just scared like an idiot. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I could never do all these things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'll get going, and hopefully, talk to you on Skype when we are there.
All right,
Let's see.
all right. But I'll record it, huh?
Yeah, okay. But then, without seeing you on online, I don't think we'll be able to think. But anyway, we'll try. If you're there, we will just send you a message or something. Huh?
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah. See you.
See you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.